So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can't send money issue. So if you want to fix a PayPal error when you can send money, so if that's the case, you can check your resolution center for account limits, confirm your email and bank details, relink your funding source, then go ahead and verify your identity or switch from an instant to a standard transfer method. So these are some of the ways and quick fixes you can fix that issue. So first off, let's go to the resolution center. So as you may see on here, you can check out your resolution center within the web version of your PayPal account. If you haven't logged in, that's completely fine. You can then just go to resolution center and it's going to give you this screen right here. So you can put in your email or phone number and then log in like that, so you can start receiving some sort of answers to your questions. So Resolution Center is mainly used for alerts, ID requests, or tax confirmations, and you can confirm your email address and verify your linked bank or card and ensure your legal profile name matches your bank account name. So if there are some payment method errors, you can also remove your bank account or debit card. So let's do that. Go to your PayPal, unlink your bank account or debit credit card right through there, and it's going to be really simple to continue on with using your PayPal and to fix all those issues that are bothering you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.